Okay, I have this box. No idea why there's a hole in here. It's to upgrade my YouTube game. Got a knife. Let's open it. And there. Okay, so the boxes that you guys see right over here, it's actually what's the name of this? A softbox, which I've ordered from Amazon. It pretty much looks like that. See? And I need it for lighting purposes. So there's a better I'm actually wearing my home clothes, okay? Have a better lighting when I talk to you guys and do a lot of tutorial videos. This time when I talk, I kind of want my computer to be in the background. Therefore, I got this and I purchased another ring light. The ring light is not here. It's going to be here on Thursday, I believe. So, going to wait for that. I'm gonna set this up right now and show it to you guys how cool it is. I got two of these boxes. So, let's see what this, oh, there we go. Ah, my cabs hurt. Oh, they're actually lights. Shit, I shouldn't be messing around with that. Oh, sweet. So these are lights. They gave me a bag, I guess, to keep everything in there. I don't really need this because I'm only going to use it in my house. And then there's two more boxes. Let's open this one. I'm guessing it's the legs. So these are the leg stands. Okay, so I have yes, and something else. I also got these two right here. Okay, so I'm gonna figure this out while I show it to you guys how to do this. And after that, I'm going to YouTube it and learn. Whoa! Damn. Yes, so I'm going to set this up, show you guys how I set it up, and I'm going to YouTube it and learn how to use this soft box for lighting properly so I can give that good quality to you guys. This is pretty long, from here to all the way there. This part wasn't really clear, but I think it makes sense. So this here, I hooked it through right here, but there's no hole in it. I think it's right. Peter McKinnon probably does this under like 10 seconds, and I'm taking a very long. I had to take this out and then push this black circle thingy inside, and now I can put the light bulb. Did not describe it here whatsoever. Okay, so let's see if this works. The switch is right here, so let's go. And lighting. Wow. Do you guys see this? This is the lighting. Oh my god. Hello guys, welcome to my vlog here. And yes, we have a professional setting this time and not one of those amateur, you know, videos that I always make. Yes, and today's YouTube channel, we're going to talk about the professional setting done by your boy, Flame MD. Look at this. It's like half shadow and half like lighting. Isn't this amazing? I want to see what happens if I can bring this up here. Wow. So I put it up higher than me. So this is my height. And then the light is now all the way up there, very close to the ceiling. I don't think I need two. I'm just gonna leave one here so when I vlog around my living room, and I'm gonna keep a second one in my home office when I'm doing, you know, YouTube tutorials and stuff. What do you guys think about this? Do you guys like this lighting better now? Is it better than before or no? Please let me know by commenting below. Say yes or no. And if you liked today's video, please give it a big thumbs up. I understand it's short. I just wanted to say hi to you guys, let you guys know that I didn't stop uploading videos. Hope that makes sense. And yes, the clip from earlier today, I went to Harborfront and I've taken this nice shot, so I thought, why don't I add it to my YouTube video, which is today. I'm actually blown away. Look at this. If you guys want to do photography in my house, let me know. I'm joking. Don't do that. Thank you for watching. Until then, I'll see you guys in another video. Peace out.